Hello South Africa. Today is Wednesday, March 30, 2022, and here is news in a minute. ANC backs Ramaphosa as president faces motion of no confidence. National spokesperson Pule Mabe has weighed in on the motions of no confidence against ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa in the National Assembly on Wednesday afternoon. In an official statement issued by the ruling party ahead of proceedings, Mabe acknowledged the two motions currently brought forward against Ramaphosa. At its meeting on 25 to 27 March 2022, the National Executive Committee of the African National Congress noted that Parliament is scheduled to debate and vote upon two motions of no confidence on Wednesday, March 30, 2022, namely a motion of no confidence in Cabinet by the Democratic Alliance. National spokesperson Pule Mabe. It appears as if the ruling party remains optimistic about the situation, dubbing it nothing more than a regular occurrence. The NEC further noted that such motions constitute a regular feature in the repertoire of these and other political parties. National spokesperson Pule Mabe. While he may be under pressure to retain his place at the helm of the nation, it appears as if Ramaphosa continues to enjoy the support of the ANC. In the statement, Mabe highlighted that the party supports both the president and the cabinet he appointed. This is Leah for the South African.